Hi Marys, welcome back to Masego Audit. Guys, in today's topic we will be talking about what accountant are you. I feel like it's a very important topic because a lot of people get confused on what they want to be, especially like in the accounting. So guys, accounting is diverse, so we need to know what we want to be. Not everybody has to be a chartered accountant. You can be a management accountant, taxation accountant. Those are the things I'm going to dive into today, and I'm going to clarify what these people do, and hopefully you can find yourself. So again, the purpose of this video is to help you guys get clarity. You know, if you want to be a chartered accountant, I'll explain what they do, a couple of roles, what they do, their responsibilities, and what type of qualification that you need. So without wasting any of your guys' time, let's get straight into the talking. So I've got quite a few professions here. We're gonna talk about almost every profession, if I'm not mistaken, but if I did not mention maybe what you wanna be, you let me know in the comment section, right? So I'll be wearing my glasses for this one because I need to see. So the first qualification we're gonna go and talk about is your chartered accountants, your CAs, right? So yeah, everybody wants to be a CA. So let me tell you what is required, the qualifications of being a CA. So you need a bachelor's degree in accounting or any relating field, a completion of a CA articles, and passing the CA qualification exam, e.g. your SICA CA qualification. That's what you need. And then jumping off to the responsibilities of a CA: financial accounting, auditing, taxation, and financial management. The roles of a CA, I feel like this is the important part because like you get to know what you're gonna do as a CA, right? To prepare and review financial statements, reports, and returns. You are also going to conduct audits to ensure accuracy and reliability of financial statements. You're going to provide tax advice and planning services to individuals and organizations. If you want more, you let me know down in the comments. Oh my god, I look so weird in classes. That's why I don't take videos in my classes. But anyway, for me to read, I need them. Let's continue. Second profession we're gonna talk about is your certified public accountant. It's your CPAs. So the qualification, basically the qualifications for all the professions I'm about to mention, I'm just gonna talk about the completion parts, right? From the completion. So let's continue from that. So completion of the CPA certification program and passing the CPA exam, e.g. your AICPA's CPA certification. I know I'm gonna talk about I'm gonna have a lot of abbreviations, but I'll put maybe the pictures here if I find pictures so that you guys can know what I'm talking about. And yeah, that is the qualification you need to be a CPA. And then the responsibilities of a CPA is auditing, taxation, financial accounting, and consulting. So the roles of your CPA: you will be conducting audits and review financial statements. You prepare and review tax returns for individuals and organizations. You're also going to provide financial planning and advisory services to individuals and organizations. And then your third profession, we have your certified management accountant. So you see, there are a lot of them, right? So you can be a certified management accountant, where you have to, the qualification you have to have is, an example, an IMA's CMA certification, right? That's the qualification you need to have. Your responsibilities will be management accounting, financial planning, and decision making. The roles you have is to analyze financial data to inform business decisions, to conduct financial analysis, to identify trends and opportunities, and also develop and implement performance metrics and benchmarks. That's what you'll be doing. Going forward, we have certified internal auditor. That's where I'm headed. So certification or qualifications for your CIAs is an IIA's CIA certification. The responsibilities is internal auditing, risk management, and control. The roles of a CIA is conducting internal audits to evaluate organizational controls and processes, identify and assess organizational risks, to evaluate the design and effectiveness of internal controls. I'll dive more into this in the upcoming videos because that's what I want to do and that's what I resonate to. So yeah, let's move on. The fifth profession we have, don't mind me looking down because I'm looking at the book, right? So the fifth profession we have is a certified financial analyst. So it's a CFA. The qualification is the CFA Institute's CFA certification. Your responsibilities will be investment analysis, portfolio management, and financial planning. Your roles will be to analyze financial statements, industry trends, and market data, to develop and implement investment strategies or for individuals, institutions, and organizations, to conduct research on investment opportunities, including company analysis, industry trends, and market analysis. Sounds easy, right? I don't know why I like it. That's so weird. Profession we have will be forensic accounting. I've heard people talking about this, but I didn't know what was that all about, but now you're gonna know. So the qualification for forensic accountants will be your AICPA's certification in financial forensics, which is your CFF certification. The responsibilities of forensic accountants will be investigating financial crime, analyze financial data, and provide expert testimony. The roles of forensic accountants will be investigating financial crime such as embezzlement. Is it embezzlement? Embezzlement will be embezzlement, such as embezzlement, fraud, and money laundering. And then create financial models to identify trends, anomalies, and oh my gosh, like English, anomalies and potential fraud. I think I'll put like what is embezzlement here. Yeah. And also provide expert testimony in court cases involving financial dispute or crime. That is such an interesting profession to be in, like a very interesting, come to think of it. Next up we have environmental accountants. Wow. So the qualification will be an IEMA's certified environmental accountant, which is your CEA certification. The responsibilities will be environmental accounting, sustainability reporting, and environmental auditing. Your roles will be measure and report environmental costs such as carbon emissions and waste management. You must develop and implement sustainability strategies and policies. You must also ensure compliance with environmental law, regulations, and standards. That's interesting. Very, very, very interesting. But let's go to number 8, which is your international accountant. So the qualification for this one will be your ACCA's certified international accountant, which is your CIA, not the CIA of your certified internal auditor, right? Certification. And your responsibilities will be international accounting, taxation, and auditing. Your roles will be to prepare financial statements in accordance with international accounting standards, which is your Those who are doing accounting, they know what I'm talking about. And generally accepted accounting principle, which is GAAP, your GAAP. You must also provide expertise on international tax laws, treaties, and regulations. You must also develop financial models and forecasts for international business operations. We're talking accounting here. But anyway, next we're gonna move up to government accounting. Qualifications for government accountant. Sorry guys, if you feel like I'm going too fast, you can just go back. Next up, we'll be talking about government accountants. The qualifications for your government accountants would be your GFOA's Certified Government Financial Manager, which is a CGFM certification. Responsibilities for these people is public sector accounting, budgeting, and financial reporting. The roles of your government accountants will be to manage government funds, including budgeting, forecasting, and financial reporting. They also prepare and analyze budget proposals and financial plans. They also prepare financial statements, including balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. Number 10, we have our non-profit accountants. So the qualifications for these people will be your non-profit leadership alliances certification, non-profit professional, which is a CNP, right? And then the responsibility is non-profit accounting, financial reporting, and grant management. The roles of these people is to manage financial transactions, including accounts payable, accounts receivable, and payroll. They also manage grant funds, including tracking, reporting, and compliance. They also prepare financial statements, including Form 990 or 990, audited financial statements, and other regulatory reports. Number 11, we have cost accountants. I think we've heard about them. Their qualification will be the IMA's Certified Cost Accountant, your CCA's certification. Their responsibility is cost accounting, budgeting, and financial analysis. Their role is to analyze and identify the costs associated with producing goods or services, including labor, material, and overheads. They also develop and implement cost management strategies to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and enhance profitability. They also prepare and present cost reports to management, including cost of goods sold, inventory, valuation, and cost variances. This is all management accounting. So you don't have to be a CA, guys. You can also do it. If you're good in management accounting, this is for you. And then number 12, we have tax accountants. We've also heard about this one, so I'm gonna explain it further. Maybe it'll be clear for you guys. Whoever is good in taxation, this is for you. So the qualification for our tax accountants will be an AICPA's Certified Tax Professional, your CTP certification. Your responsibilities will be tax planning, compliance, and consulting. Your roles will be to prepare and file tax returns for individuals, organizations, including federal, state, and local tax returns. You must develop and implement tax planning strategies to minimize tax liabilities, maximizing tax savings, and ensuring compliance with tax laws and regulations. You must also conduct tax research. You must also conduct tax research, provide tax advice, and stay up to date on tax laws, changes, and regulations to ensure clients are in compliance. That's what we're going to do. Number 13, you have a financial planner. I know this is not an accountant, but you can also be a financial planner. And the qualification you will have to obtain will be your CFP, Board Certified Financial Planner, your CFP certification. Your responsibilities will be financial planning, investment advice, and wealth management. Your roles will be to help clients set and prioritize financial goals such as saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding education expenses. Afterward, felt like hours. Let's continue. So the roles of a financial planner will be help clients set and prioritize financial goals such as saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding education expenses. Second will be you will analyze client financial situations including income, expenses, assets, debts, and insurance coverage. You will also develop comprehensive financial plans tailored to clients' goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. For number 14 is your auditing specialist. So the qualifications for your being an auditing specialist will be e.g. the IIA's Certified Internal Auditor with CIA certification. The responsibilities of an auditing specialist will be auditing, risk assessment, and control evaluation. The roles will be plan and prepare for audits, including identifying audit objectives, scope, and procedures. You will also conduct audits, including examining financial records, transactions, and internal controls. And lastly, you'll prepare and present audit reports, including findings, recommendations, and conclusions. Took off my glasses because that was the end of the video. That was the end. I'm stopping at number 14 because there are a lot of professions, you guys. I hope you guys got informed. I helped where I could help. Not everything or everyone who's doing accounting wants to be a chartered accountant, guys. You can be, like I said, a taxation. I didn't know there was a financial planner, the auditing specialist. There are a lot. Even environmental accountants. That was wow. Because even for me, I was also learning these things. I didn't even know there were these type of accountants. But this shows that if you have a specific maybe module or subject that you're really good in, like I said, if you're good in taxation, you don't literally have to go the CA route. You can just find courses that align with being a tax accountant, you get what I'm saying, and then you become a tax accountant. You don't have to go the long route and then you found out later that, oh my gosh, I love auditing and all that, and now you end up studying things that you're not supposed to study. So I hope this video helped you so much. It was very informative for me. Like I said, if you want me to explain further, comment down below, let me know. What did I miss? What do you guys want to know? And I'll most likely will definitely answer you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget your day, your night, your morning, whatever time you may be watching this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.